Welcome back, Crafting Spirit Boosters. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Improvised Arts and Crafts. I'd like to introduce to you Stolen. Yep, spinning around is Stolen. He is holding the sign that says inspired. Welcome to the family, Stolen. Which one is this? 8? I forget. 8, probably 8. Skip. This should be number 9 or number 10 because it's a couple of more characters that not up here that I didn't finish yet. But anyway, this is Stolen. Want to display him on the 5-tier tray. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. If you did, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And if you want to join on Mondays decorating or practicing, it is practicing decorating a tier tray, say so in the comments. All are invited. It's no competition. It's just something to, like a hobby, enjoy the time and get to know other creators or welcoming new friends to your channel and on each of our channels, possibly. But it's all fun, whether one thing or the other happens or not. It's all supposed to be spirit lifting, spirit boosting fun. So, okay, so Stolen sits up here on the top. Quite a character. And down here, you guys remember Truth. And once upon a time, Truth's foot is on some crates that I got from the Dollar Tree. And in the cut, that's Commitment. Don't forget Dreams and her babe. And in the back, we have This Way and Deliverance. Can you guys guess which one is missing? 2 or 3 of them. But the girls in the back in their bright, colorful outfits doing okay. Gonna be displaying them in the upcoming Juneteenth. Yes, indeedy. Yep, Miss Jenita just want to come back, display the characters sitting on the different, well, they sitting on the tier tray instead of just sitting back against the, whatever I had them propped up on. So, working with my characters, gonna keep practicing on my characters so that I can give them stability so they won't be flimsy. Cause I put them together, but their body's a little flimsy, so I'm gonna work on that so I make them a little sturdier, so they don't need any support. They just stand up on their own or sit up on their own, and that's what I was gonna do. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If so, say so in the comments. And I want to thank you for any compliments that you leave, well wishes, thoughtful ideals, just saying hello. I appreciate it all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're new, you're a visitor, passing by, looky-loo. How did I get on this channel, folks? Please, if you're enjoying what you're seeing on this channel, please subscribe if you like, or hit the notification bell to get notified when I have any new videos up, and give me a thumbs up. And if you don't mind, let me know what number thumbs up like you are, please. I would very much appreciate that. And trolleys, how y'all doing? You came back again today. Don't forget to give me a like. Give me some credit. You over here, you must like something, trolley. Okay, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support this channel with any support you have, by it be a thumbs up, a like, or remaining subscribed, and sharing any comments in the comment section. I appreciate it. And you're all spirit boosters. Believe me, you're all spirit boosters. I appreciate you all for coming through. I'm gonna let y'all go. I just wanted to come through, like I said, and share my little latest character, Stolen. Now, they all got some names for y'all, so Black Folks Well Wishes Creations. And for all of you that have watched the previous videos, you know where this idea came from. I'm loving it. So, folks, I'm gonna let y'all go because I know everybody is busy trying to get everybody in the camera here as best I can. I know all y'all busy, got things to do. I want to just again thank you for coming through and supporting Miss Jenita's channel. Don't forget, I got a gardening channel, and I also have a grocery channel where I'm cooking a few things over there. And on my gardening channel, I'm sharing my balcony garden, my plants and stuff like that. If you like house plants, you want to get a few ideas, I know a couple of things to help you out. I think come on through. The links are in the description box, you guys, or it's on the big old picture that they have on our channels. The links are up there also. All right, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. If you have any new videos, don't forget to let me know. And even when you come through, I'll come over to your channel. You know, as you support me, I'll come back over there and support you back. All right, y'all, thanks for watching, and say so in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Black Folks Well Wishes Creations. All right, later, you guys. Thank you so much, Crafting Spirit Boosters, for joining me for this episode. Until the next time, happy crafting!